Hello everyone, welcome to visit Shenzhen East Line. We are OEM Telephone Manufacturer. Today we want to introduce you one IP phone. Look at this is the neutral brand packaging box. This is the phone. Inside now use a manual. This one is Chinese. Is for inside box here. Let's open it. Box. This is very flat and very big balance. This is the supporter. Here, wait. Now it's okay. Phone. It's the internet cable, calling cord. It's the power adapter. You can use power adapter or use POE function. You can choose one function. This is the handset. Now let's look at this phone, how it works. Put here. You can find different port here. All support USB. Yeah, internet line. Now let's get this charged. Let me look. This is the language. There are different kinds of languages. This one we have 17 languages. And our network is not available. If you are putting internet or you can connect with your PC, they can use it next menu. This phone You can find all this data information here. Account. This one's support. You can find 8 SIP accounts. Okay. Features. It has all the basic functions here, and directory, message, voicemail, text messages. This is voicemail. It's at different groups. Okay. Basic language time. Display. Backlight. Wallpaper can be changed like back ruin. We have 10 different ring sounds. It's Wi-Fi. Oh. It's Wi-Fi on off. You can change. It's on, off, back, reboot. No need now. Phone lock. You can unlock keypad, keyboard, set password. Back. It's a very basic IP form, nice quality. Check. Touch, 1 speed, 1 memory key, and you can find this keys. It's very nice, very good. And also it's very slight. If you want more information or you want to do business with us, contact us friendly. The OEM MOQ is around 1,000 to 3,000 pieces per model. Thank you for your time. See you next time.